Hi there, welcome to Nature Series. This is the pond. This is Old Hall Pond at Thorndon South Country Park. And there's an animal. This is a seagull. And that's a moorhen. Some animals here today. No, but anyway, look, back to the seagull and moorhens. There's one seagull and one cutie moorhen.
Hi, cutie. There's not much going on here today because of the season, is there, Logan?
The season is changing from autumn to winter.
What was the temperature today?
The temperature was 0 degrees when we left our house. Let's go. And, well, you would not believe it. Here it is. What a sight. There's a waterfall.
Yeah.
And some water balloons are blocking it. But not to worry, it's nearly winter. So, that means I can run free again. One little problem. The ice might freeze the water, and then the water might not come down as much.
Yeah. That's where all the excess water goes, isn't it?
It goes down the waterfall and comes out.
Don't think we'll go down there today though, because I've seen something else cool to show the guys. What about these?
Oh look, these are puddles, but they're all icy.
Because of the temperature, isn't it? Look, another one.
Another icy puddle.
Pretty cool, huh? And pretty crunchy.
Another puddle.
We're not in our good puddle jumping gear today though, are we?
Oh, we know he's come. We knew he'd come here, but we just forgot.
We weren't expecting so many puddles to jump in. True. Yeah. Yeah, look, what are you showing there?
This is a hollow tree branch.
What would you guess might have happened there?
A cheeky fox might have went in there. Oh, maybe a squirrel.
It might have been struck by lightning. It's all black.
Probably got stuck on lightning.
Yeah.
No, it would make a pretty great burrow.
True, it would. What sort of animals like to live in burrows?
Rabbits,
Yeah.
foxes, and such.
And such. Yeah.
Mice like to live in burrows.
They might. And earlier in the video you said there's not many birds around at the moment. What happens when it gets cold? What do the birds sometimes do?
They probably sometimes don't migrate.
They migrate, yeah.
Sometimes,
Some of them do.
and sometimes they hibernate.
Sometimes they hibernate. Do you know any animals that hibernate?
Which birds hibernate?
I don't think any birds hibernate.
But the birds.
But they are less active.
Yeah. Example. Swans might not. What's that? Might migrate.
They might. Because what happens to their food in the winter?
In the winter, so the food it freezes. Oh, but we already did a video of this.
I know, but I thought they might like to see it because it looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
That looks really cool.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Anyway, oh look at that.
Don't get too close though.
Are the lily pads?
Oh, can you see the lily pads in there? Yeah. And look, I can see the reflection. What can you see in the reflection?
I do see the sky in the reflection.
So many. Look, there's the cool clouds up above, and then on the pond.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
So over here.
Okay.
There's another bit. What?
I said, okay, let's go.
Now, just go around and explore another bit of the pond.
Yeah, we're just in a loop of the pond, aren't we?
Yeah. Doing a loop of the pond.
Cold today. Freezing cold. Quite pretty here. Lots of trees and stuff. Do you want to tell the guys where we are?
We're in the forest side of the pond.
We are.
Here's the bridge.
Ooh, and hold the camera up to see the pretty trees. In
Here are
front.
the pretty trees.
Yeah.
And there are lots of them.
Yeah. Careful, you're right at the end.
Oops. And there's a stream that goes right into the pond over there.
It does, yeah.
And here we go.
Maybe
Oh,
hold
yeah.
it up a bit.
There's the pond. And here are the trees.
Yeah. So we need to go left a little bit.
Yeah, and we go left a little bit. And anyway, these are the reeds.
Wait for a sec.
And there are, and there's another part of the stream over here. There's another bridge that goes over another part of the stream. Here.
We're going right round the back now, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going right round the
Hold
back.
it up so they can see our route. Cool, huh?
And
And for Christmas, we might get something cool. So our camera skills will be even better.
yeah.
So you'll get even better videos soon, guys. We might get a strap for our camera.
Yeah, we might get a strap for our camera. No. Right. They can already see me, can't you, everyone? And anyway, we're all back to the other side of the pond.
Yeah,
Back to the other side of the pond.
yeah. The doggy on the other side then.
Yeah. Yeah, there's Dodgy on the other side. Oh.
Do you know what this is for, guys?
You know what this is for? This
on this side.
is to save a life. This is a life ring.
Yeah, and what do you use it for?
You use it to rescue people.
Yeah, only for emergencies.
Yeah, only for emergency. Yeah. And anyway, let's go back and we're nearly back to where we were earlier.
In this cool tree.
Look,
It's so cool.
yeah, that tree looks
Shall I hold it up?
it looks a bit funny.
Oh, lift it up.
Huh?
I did one. That's a good picture, shall I?
Yeah, yeah. Here's the current. Yeah. Oh, this might look like a little beach. And then
Right by the end.
the current on the beach might be like this.
Yeah.
But this
Might
is-
be a bit stronger on the beach, you think?
it might be a bit stronger on the beach. This is a pond. Anyway, this takes us back to where we were earlier.
Okay then. You've seen the whole pond, guys.
You've seen the whole pond, guys.
If you've enjoyed it,
Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it.
we'll be doing a new video soon.
Yeah, we'll be doing a new video soon. And I took a picture of the pond for our friend, Baby Hudson.
Baby Hudson, we're doing these videos especially for you.
Yeah. We're writing a book for you as well. Right. This is for when baby Hudson gets back. This is back right to where we were.
Back to the beginning.
Back to the beginning.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all for today, guys.
Yeah.
Really?
Then back to the pond. And that's all. And this takes us right back to where we were, next to the waterfall. See you later.